In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable extensions in Microsoft Edge. Extensions are handy, but sometimes you need to turn one off. Maybe it's causing a page to misbehave, slowing things down, or you want a cleaner browsing experience. I'll show the exact clicks, explain what you'll see, and share quick tips so you can switch extensions off confidently without removing them. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure the window is active and you're looking at the main browser screen. Look to the top right corner of the browser window for the three dots, also known as the Settings and More menu. Click those three dots to open the menu. This reveals a list of options for customizing and controlling the browser. From that menu, choose Extensions. A small panel will appear to give you quick access to extensions. In that panel, select Manage Extensions. This opens the full extensions page in a new tab, which is the best place to see everything installed and adjust their status. On the extensions page, find the specific extension you want to turn off. Each extension has a toggle switch. Click the toggle so it moves to the off position. Off typically appears grayed out, and any buttons or features from that extension will stop loading. The change takes effect immediately. No restart required. So if it was adding items to the toolbar or changing how pages look, those changes should disappear right away. Disabling does not uninstall the extension. It simply pauses it. If you change your mind later, return to this page and click the toggle again to turn it back on. If you have a long list, use the search box at the top of the extensions page to find the name quickly. If the toggle is missing or locked, the extension might be managed by your organization, and you may need administrator help. If a page still seems off after disabling an extension, refresh the tab to load it without the extension's effects. That's all there is to it. Open Edge, click the three dots, go to Extensions, choose Manage Extensions, and flip the switch next to the one you want to disable. With this quick method, you can troubleshoot problems, improve performance, and keep your browser streamlined without permanently removing anything. You can always revisit this page to review what's enabled, keep essential tools active, and leave everything else turned off for a lighter, more private browsing session.